Have you ever wondered why some bonds stay with you until maturity while others get called away? Let's break down non-callable securities. A non-callable security is a type of investment that cannot be redeemed or paid off early by the issuer before its final maturity date. This means you have full certainty regarding the duration of your investment, unlike callable bonds, which carry the risk of being called early. Investors often prefer these when they want to lock in a specific interest rate for a long period without worrying about the issuer refinancing. The trade-off is usually yield. Callable bonds often pay more to compensate for the risk that the issuer might take the bond back. While callable bonds might show a higher headline yield, non-callable securities offer peace of mind that your income stream remains stable. Remember that every investment choice involves balancing your need for certainty against your desire for higher potential returns. Understanding these mechanics helps you build a bond portfolio that fits your goals. Check back soon for more investing basics.